Master the question word, when, through reading. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to focus on the question word, when. It's a word we use all the time, often without thinking about it. However, when learning English, it's important to understand how and when to use when. Today, we're going to practice and learn through reading exercises. When is used in English to ask about time. We use when to find out at what time an event occurred or will occur. For example, when is your birthday? When are we going to the cinema? In both these questions, when is used to determine a specific point in time. It's important to remember this as we go through our reading exercises. Let's start with a short paragraph. Read along and try to answer the questions that follow. Emma is planning a big party for her graduation. She's decided that it will be on the last Saturday of June. Emma has also set the time for the party to begin at 5 p.m. Question: when is Emma's party? Your answer should be, Emma's party is on the last Saturday of June at 5 p.m. Let's move on to a more challenging paragraph. John woke up feeling excited. Today was the day of the annual marathon, and he had been preparing for months. He had set his alarm for 6 a.m., as the race started at 8 a.m. John always liked to get there early to stretch and prepare mentally. Question: when did John wake up? Question: when does the race start? Your answers should be, John woke up at 6 a.m. and the race starts at 8 a.m. Now let's dive into a longer paragraph. Susan loves Christmas. It's her favorite time of the year. She usually starts decorating her house in early December. The Christmas tree, however, is a special tradition. Susan and her kids pick out and decorate the tree on the second Saturday of December, every year. Question: when does Susan start decorating her house? Question: when do Susan and her kids decorate the Christmas tree? Your answers should be, Susan starts decorating her house in early December and Susan and her kids decorate the Christmas tree on the second Saturday of December. Well done on completing today's reading exercises with the question word, when. We hope you found this practice valuable in strengthening your grasp of English and specifically your understanding of when. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep up with your English learning journey. Happy learning!